The perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. They teach this in cooking classes. It's a foolproof method. Start by preparing a pot of water. When the water begins to boil, take 2 metal strainers with fine mesh. Place the strainers on the sides of the pot, making sure the water doesn't touch them. The egg will cook with steam, not in the water. Crack an egg into each strainer and cover the pot with a lid. The steam will gently cook the egg whites, creating the perfect soft consistency without the risk of the egg spilling. Steam for about 3 minutes until the egg whites set and the yolk remains runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time by 1 minute. Now, just serve it on toast, preferably with avocado. You can season with salt and pepper. It's a quick and easy method for the perfect poached egg without dealing with water swirls and vinegar.